What if you could slow your body's aging clock starting today? Science now shows that everyday habits, not expensive creams or magic pills, determine how young your cells stay. In this video, you'll discover 5 longevity secrets proven to help you stay strong, vibrant, and youthful naturally. This is Rooted Vitality 365, where we share evidence-based ways to live well and age gracefully. Let's start with the first secret that scientists say can literally keep your muscles and your metabolism young. Muscle is sometimes called the organ of longevity. After 30, we naturally lose 3 to 8% of muscle each decade, a key driver of slower metabolism, brittle bones, and insulin resistance. The solution? Strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Even simple bodyweight moves or resistance bands count. This keeps muscle mass high, supports joint health, and stabilizes blood sugar, which in turn protects your heart and brain. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of full body strength workout, or add micro moves during the day, like chair squats or wall push-ups, to start reversing that muscle loss. Your cells age partly because of oxidative stress and low-grade chronic inflammation. Nature's answer is polyphenols, powerful plant compounds found in foods like berries, green tea, extra virgin olive oil, dark chocolate, and colorful veggies. Large population studies, including the Blue Zones research, shows diets high in polyphenol are linked to longer life and fewer chronic diseases. Add a handful of berries to breakfast, sip green tea, or use olive oil as your main fat source. Small, colorful upgrades make a big cellular difference. Your body repairs and renews itself at night. Missing that deep, consistent sleep is like pressing fast forward on aging. Here's how to realign your circadian rhythm. Get morning sunlight within an hour of waking. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and tech-free. And aim for a steady 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Research shows people with strong circadian rhythm have lower risks of heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. Protecting your sleep is protecting your future self. Chronic stress floods your system with cortisol, which accelerates inflammation and shortens telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA that keeps cells youthful. Build a daily reset ritual, 2 minutes of box breathing, a quick gratitude jot in a notebook, or a brief walk outdoors. Even short, consistent breaks lower cortisol and help preserve those telomeres. Less stress equals lower cellular aging and a calmer, clearer mind. Healthy fats, especially omega-3s, are essential to keep your brain sharp and your heart strong. They reduce inflammation, stabilize mood, and protect the very cell membranes that keep you resilient. Top sources include wild salmon, sardines, walnuts, and chia or flaxseed. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish a week or plant-based omega-3s daily. Think of these fats as oil for your body's engine, helping keep everything running smoothly for decades. To recap, staying young isn't about expensive serums or overnight miracles. It's about consistent, science-backed habits. Build muscle with strength training, eat polymer-rich plants every day, honor your circadian rhythm and sleep, manage stress with quick daily resets, and fuel with omega-3 fats. Start with one change this week. Stacking even small wins slows the clock in a powerful way. If you found this helpful, tap like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to age gracefully too.